Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy land in Metaverse on Decentraland. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply buy land on Decentraland, you need to get a crypto wallet like MetaMask, and once you go to your Play Store, App Store or something like this, you can get your MetaMask right over there. So once you purchase your MetaMask, you need to fund it with your MANA, the platform's native cryptocurrency, and some Ethereum for gas fees as well. Now you need to simply go and visit your Decentraland marketplace. So once you visit it, you need to now connect your wallet and simply find an available land parcel. You need to then click on the Initiate Purchase option. You can also use a third-party marketplace like OpenSea to purchase land in Metaverse. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.